We're very excited to be lending in Virginia, and we have successfully made a number of loans there. We cover the entire state, and it's really a state we feel very strongly about. That over the turmoil of the last couple of years, the property values have remained stable, foreclosure rates have remained low, or lower than the national average, and the employment rate has consistently been slightly better than the national average. So we think there's a lot of opportunity in Virginia, both for Rehab Financial Group and their rehab loans, and for borrowers looking for rehab loans in Virginia.
Tell me how the program works.
Well, the way the program works is the borrower would file an application with Rehab Financial Group for a rehab loan. And we would evaluate both the borrower and the property as we fully underwrite all of the loans. We would be looking for the borrower to supply us with a completed application, along with 6 months bank statements, 2 years tax returns, and current pay stub if they're a W-2 employee. We would then qualify the borrower and then seek to qualify the property with regards to the after repair value and the repair list.
How much will you lend on a property?
We would lend up to 65% of the after repaired value of property. So after we receive an application and the borrower has been qualified, we would have an appraiser go to the property and appraise it, taking into account the repairs the borrower intends to do. And from that point, the appraiser would give us both an as-is, an income approach, and an after repaired value, and we would lend up to 65% of that after repaired value, but not more than 100% of the purchase and the rehab costs.
So you do lend the purchase and the rehab costs?
We do. We fund the rehab costs 100% at the table, and then we escrow the rehab amount, and as the borrower gets the work finished, we would release that escrowed amount in draws.